Hey Pectus Warriors, what's going on? It's Byrne from FixPectus.com, and in today's video what I wanted to talk about is how long does it take you to fix Pectus Excavatum without surgery, but through my methods, through building muscle, building your pecs, building muscle around the indent, building your abs and your obliques, and fixing posture to make your pectus as least noticeable as possible, so much so that you're happy with your body and therefore you've overcome your pectus and fixed it. How long does it take to get those results? How long does it take to get you from where you are to that end destination? That is why all of you are probably watching my videos. And the answer is, it totally depends. It's on you and your starting point and how committed you're going to be to the program, to working out, to following a good nutritious muscle building diet, to stretching to fix your posture. That's going to be the factors, and so I can never give a clear-cut answer, but in this video what I want to do is try and break it down. So if we're talking about, if you're a total beginner and you commit completely, how long it should take. Obviously we all have different genetics as well. So firstly I wanted to start off by saying, how long did it take me? So basically I started training in the gym when I was like 16, 17, okay? And for about 2 years I just did a bro split. I just followed things off YouTube and didn't really have any idea what I was doing and paid no attention to my nutrition, and kind of just essentially trained biceps and chest. Very ineffective training, not structuring my workouts properly, and as I said before, no attention to my nutrition. And as a result, I got pretty average results. In 2 years of training, probably put on about 5 kilos of muscle. And that being said, I did start off very skinny, very lanky, like 68 kilos at 6'1". And so I did make a bit of progress, just because when you're a beginner, you can make progress very easily and you don't have to do things right. But that being said, if you did do things right as a total beginner, you would make so much progress. That's why you see some of my crazy client transformations that are only like 10 weeks or so and they completely transform, is because they do things right from the start. And so if you are a total beginner, you definitely want to be signing up, doing things right, and your potential for change is just like, whew, it just changes so fast. So yeah, I didn't do things right, but I still got results because I was a beginner. If only I did it right from the start, but it is what it is. So that was my journey. I was also partying, I was drinking, I was not paying, I was just living a normal 18-year-old life, which is totally fine. It's good to have balance, and I don't regret that at all. It was only once I was about 19 that I started doing modeling, and I realized that I needed a good body. I also at 19, I kind of got to the point where I was fed up of not feeling confident in my body and my pectus. Once I started, thinking about doing modeling, and people telling me that, I was like, I need to fix this. I need to make my body good. I need to get over my pectus so I can actually take off my shirt and be proud of myself. And so at 19, I applied myself properly to nutrition and proper training, or what I thought was proper training, but did my best to learn and study. And I became a qualified personal trainer, really started studying the body, how it works, how nutrition works. And once I did everything right, my results were pretty fast, From about 19 to 20, that's when I just dove in and dedicated myself to nutrition, tracking my macros, training properly, doing a proper split, compound movements, really mind to muscle connection, really important training keys, and focusing on my pectus, studying to become a personal trainer. In 1 year of doing that, I transformed so much, and that got me from like 72 kgs to 85 kgs, and that's when I made my first video. That's when I made PectusPT and started coaching people with pectus, and that was 5 years ago now. But yeah, so it took me about a year of dedicated training. And so from my personal experience, 1 year dedicated training, I completely transformed and got me to the physique that I am super happy with. So the reality is, if you commit, if you're a complete beginner, no matter what your genetics are, if you're a complete beginner and you do things properly, with good nutrition, stretching, a proper weight training program, in 1 year, you will completely transform. You can put on easy 10, 15, even 20 kilos of muscle if you do things right. And that was me when I did my 1 year transformation and put on like those 12, 13 kilos of muscle. It wasn't perfect. I still didn't know everything. I'm 5 years later down the line now, and I know so much more. And so the content and the programs that my clients are getting now when they sign up, that's why I'm getting such good results from my clients. Even in like a 10-week period, they completely transform. And my clients that have been with me for a year, they're like a new human. So the reality is, if you really want to transform, if you really want to build muscle and you're a total beginner, you have no muscle, your posture is really bad, and your pectus is quite prominent, if you dedicate yourself to a year of dedicated training, nutrition, stretching, you will completely transform. And that is why I have made this Pectus 2021 Transformation Challenge. If you don't already know about it, then you should check out my videos about it or click the link in the description, which will take you to it. But the 2021 Transformation Challenge is a 1-year challenge of training and coaching with me. You have 1 year of programming, 1 year of my coaching, and it's 50 guys maximum. And I've designed it for that year because that's the reality of how long it's going to take to get a good transformation if you are a total beginner, okay? And even if you are more experienced, it still takes time. For a sustainable change, it really does take a long time, because sure, I could put you on some crazy program that's unsustainable, but we want it to be sustainable. I want to see you following this program for a year that then you can continue to follow afterwards, because the reality is, sure, in a year you can completely transform and fix your pectus, but if you stop training, then your results will regress. So I want you to be empowered to continue to do so after that year is done as well. And so that's what my transformation project is all about. That's what this challenge is all about. Not only are you going to get programming for the year, but you also get education. I want to teach you all of these things so you understand what foods you need to eat, what stretches you need to do, how you need to train for pectus. And in a year, the results you can get are crazy. So guys, there's literally only 8 spots left on the challenge. Intake ends at the end of February. So if you are wanting to sign up to the 2021 Transformation Challenge and you want to get in for my coaching for a year and potentially win a trip out to Australia, that's what the best transformation will get. They'll win a trip out to Australia to train and hang with me. If you want to win that, you want to get coaching, you want to transform, you want to overcome your Pectus Excavatum, then sign up to the challenge. As I said before, there's only 8 spots as I'm filming this video, so maybe by the time I post it there'll only be like 5. So guys, this is probably the last chance you can get in to the 2021 Transformation Challenge and have me as your coach for an entire year. So I would love to have you on board. Anyway, just to wrap up this video and what I was talking about before, the reality is the time it's going to take is going to depend, as I said before, on where you're at. If you are a beginner, I would say it's about a good year of dedicated training, as I've said multiple times already. And if you have already built some muscle, you do have some experience in the gym, then maybe it is just about fine-tuning some things, putting on some more mass, or maybe it's about cutting down and getting more shredded. Maybe we just need to fix your posture just a little bit, so maybe it'll only take a couple months where you get to the point where your pectus is as least noticeable as possible. But one final thing I want to add to that is there's always room for improvement. There's always somewhere else we can go. And so even after we've achieved that amazing transformation, we don't want to stop and lose our results, as I said before, but we want to keep pushing. So 1 year to get to that body that you're proud of, your pectus is hardly noticeable, but you can always keep developing that physique. You know, like right now I'm 90 kgs and I'm lean, I'm muscular, I'm fit, and this is the best I've ever been. When I started making videos 5 years ago, I was so confident with my pectus, I'd overcome it. That's why I started making these videos. But even now, I'm more confident, you know, so even then, there's always still room for improvement, and I've continued to improve as well. But anyway, guys, that's the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful, and if you are interested in transforming, the challenge is the place to be. I would love to meet you. Go to the link in the description, sign up for the challenge, book a call with me to see if you're a good fit, and then we'll go from there. Peace, guys. Bye.